Okay. So, do you have any questions for me?
Yes, ma'am. So nowadays, ma'am, what do you do? For improving your spoken English, and where are you lagging behind? What is your exact issues in your spoken English? I would like to know.
Yes, actually, where I'm lacking still with the confidence. I don't feel confident, especially when someone starts recording the video. I I feel nervous, and if someone doesn't record the video, I feel confident. I don't know why,
Wow.
because of, yeah, I there is my in conscious mind that this video is going to post will be published on the, yeah, social media. That's why I don't feel confident. Yeah. So that is,
Okay.
yeah, and I don't have a good vocab. Yeah. So yeah, sometimes I'm not able to construct sentence. I'm not able to put everything, whatever is going in my mind, in in my words. Yes. But for that, I do reading. Yeah, I like reading, and I do more and more conversations, especially video calls.
Okay.
I'm getting connected with the people. Yes, and trying to have a long conversation, at least 1 hour. I do give for speaking. Yes, and
Yeah.
I listen always. Yes, I'll not specify separately, but I do listening. Yeah, every time. Yes, whenever I do my
Okay.
chores. Yeah, throughout the day.
Actually, ma'am, yeah, this is the problem of many learners, not only of you. Because feeling deep, feeling low confidence. If you are being recorded by anyway, because our thoughts start bothering us, right? I'm
Mm-hmm.
going to release over the social media, million of people
Yes.
having me there
Yeah.
and observing my speaking way, right? Supposed
Mm-hmm.
to be we if am I making error in my conversation, so it
Yes.
would be the cause of having humiliations and right,
Yes.
my
Yes.
reputation can be ruined out. So what I mean to say that our thoughts is the biggest enemy of our life. What
Mm-hmm.
we think, accordingly we do, we take steps towards any matters
Mm-hmm.
according to our thoughts. So you
Yes.
have to work upon your thoughts. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What
Yes. Yes.
you consider, you have to do oppositely.
Yeah.
Okay.
And yeah, somebody said that if we are scared of something, then the best way to do it more often. Yeah, when we do it more often, then we'll get used to it, and we can feel confident of doing the same thing.
Hmm. Because you can say this is our not this is not a one day of kinds of activities. It will be going everlasting, you can say, right?
Yes.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
so we have to be habitual of this, and it's a obvious thing like if you are going to learn anything, so it would be quite challenging for you, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes,
What
right,
is
right.
called challenging, that is very tough for you. You can't endure that. You can't encounter that kinds of situation in your life, right? In your process. That is
Yes.
called challenge. So you have to take it.
Mm-hmm.
Personally, you can say, right? To be
Yeah.
determined, to be strong situationally, and it is mandatory for you,
Yeah.
right? You're
Okay.
supposed to be. I'm also coming from rural place, right? If
Hmm.
I consider before connecting with new people, like I'm coming from a very rural place, how will I converse with the very cities people? Cities people are quite expert into this language, right? Then
Mm-hmm.
I can't talk to anyone if I
Yeah,
think
right.
before then.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yes,
that's
yes.
why you
The
have to.
situation is not correct that you said the city people are very superior. It's not like that. I am also living in a city since my childhood, but I didn't. I studied in my regional medium,
Mm,
So since that time, I didn't get any environment of the English. Everybody was surrounded around me was speaking in my mother tongue. Yes.
mhm. Yeah, but
So,
usually what you think? if you coming from rural place, usually these kinds of thoughts comes to your mind,
Yeah, right.
right?
Yeah, it
This is
happens.
the
Yeah.
true fact, and
Hmm.
that's why I have to overcome my thoughts, and I have to do oppositely of my thoughts,
Yeah.
and that's why
Until
still
and
I'm
unless
able.
we don't come out of our comfort zone, uh, till that time we can't get closer to our goals. You know, we should come out of our comfort zone. Yes, that is
Yeah,
the first step.
yeah, you can say this is called comfort zone.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the one thing I always manifest around the conversation, like always try to mention what you want to say with your audience, with your companion, with your partners. Always try to release your experiences through this language, because this is a way you can engage yourself into this deeply, and after engagement into deeply into any concept of your own, you forget about your performance or all these things that could be the cause of getting a lot of fear and low confidence. So
Yes.
engagement is very important part of any learners, right?
Yes. Yes.
If you engage deeply into any concept, you will not think about rubbish things during conversation.
Yeah, right. Yes, yes, yes. I can relate it with yeah. If we have a free time, we'll start thinking in a negative way. Yeah, sometimes it happens. If we are busy, every time we'll put ourselves busy in any activities. So there is no chance to come any negative thoughts in our mind. Yes.
Yeah. So
Hmm.
always try to deeply and dive into any concept of yours. So you do not have remain the time of consider about nonsense things, about
Yes.
any matters, and you will be performing tremendously what you think about yourself
Yeah.
and where
Yes.
you want to see yourself.
Yeah, right. Yeah, I always think that I have wasted, last few months I've started learning this language and I'm thinking I have wasted a lot of years. Why I didn't think earlier, like, yeah, when I was single at that time, I had a lot of time free. At that time, this thought didn't, why didn't come in my mind? I can also learn this language. Yeah, so I already wasted and I don't want to waste more time. I want to utilize my free time in this way. This is good, for me, for my to develop my personality. Yeah.
Yeah, I can perceive it, ma'am. What you want to be, what you- what you want to see yourself in, what situations I can sense it, and it's very important for you to just overcome your thoughts. You have to work upon your thoughts, and after that, everything can be true.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, and I know in such a conversation, you do not get such a kinds of opinion from other sides. That could be the solutions of your anxiety and complications, because no one will talk like that,
Yes,
right?
yes, right.
They just come here for receiving the content for their channel and get away.
Yeah, right. That's why I don't prefer to record a video, and I find the people who are literally interested. Their intention is pure for speaking only. Yes, and it's better to speak on a different topics rather than only speaking on English related things. Yeah.
Yeah, I always, discuss about different kinds of matters. So that could be quite a useful content for others, and they
Yes.
can learn something new from me.
Yeah, and there we can find where if I speak on this topic, I am not getting this word. Yeah, here I'm lacking. I'm running out of words on this particular topic. So that's
Yeah.
the thing. Yeah. So don't you ever think about taking any help from any tutors or joining any online platform for learning?
No, ma'am. I couldn't do any kinds of efforts, try to indulge with any new creator, yeah, tutor, or expertise, I would say. What I did
Mhm.
by my own, and whatever I am now because of my previous struggle, you can say.
Okay. Yeah, that is good. I can see a lot of progress in you. You are very confident. Even I am a stranger to you. You are not feeling nervous or any fumbling. Yeah.
No, because I am considering now like you're my friend, you're my family member. I'm talking to my family member.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Yeah, this is the way what you think, and things will define what type of performance you can
Mhm.
perform in your conversation. This is
Yeah, right.
based on psychology, you can say.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. Okay. Mhm.
Yeah. So I have to, I have to have the better approach into our concept and
Mhm.
into language, what you express. It's totally based on what you want to uh, highlight about your
Mhm.
opinion about it, or any matters, I would say. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Mentality really matters.
Yeah. Yes, yes, right.
And
Hmm.
I always try to talk publicly as well, around so many people here and
Hmm.
there. And with surrounding people, I talk to many people.
Okay. So you get do you get a live opportunity there also being in a rural place to speak in English?
No, but actually, whenever I go to the stadium is not very far from my place. So whenever I go to the stadium, so in at a stadium you are going to have several kinds of students and peoples are playing cricket and etc. So if you start
Hmm.
talking, so all of them start noticing on you. Oh my God, he is speaking English. Yeah.
Yes,
So
yeah. We
I
are
used to
we are
have.
living in India, and when here also, when someone starts to speak in English, everyone that person gathers everyone attention towards himself. Everyone starts looking to that person. Oh my God, he's speaking English. How intelligent he is. Yeah.
Yeah, whatever. So I used to have a lot of intention through the people side upon me, and even though I do not care, I always talk like that. And due to hide these kinds of background you can see behind me, because background it's really matters. Okay. So I but not every day. Some of time I try to go there, but mostly
Okay.
conversation I have attend over there.
Okay. Yes. 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 Nice.
Yes, ma'am. Okay,
Oh,
ma'am. So I think we have done half an hour, right?
oh my God, it's already half an hour. Oh, I didn't realize it. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, then. Yeah. Are you going to have the other with other people also conversation like this session?
Yeah, maybe if the somebody will message me, then I will think. Otherwise,
Mhm.
tomorrow I will see.
Okay. Yes. Okay, then.
Yeah,
Have a
ma'am.
nice day ahead. Yeah.
So, ma'am, the one request I want to express, like, if you have any good photos, so you must send me, so I will make thumbnail.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Yeah. Yes. 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 Sure. I'll
Yeah,
send you. Yeah. After
thank you,
this
ma'am.
session. Yeah. Bye.
And whenever you feel to connect with me, then you can message me.
Okay, okay. Yeah. What is your convenient time? Yeah. When you will be free? Yeah.
Convenient time, ma'am, afternoon time, like that.
Okay. Yes, that is my convenient time too. Yeah. My kids come back like 2:30 in the afternoon.
Oh,
After that, I'll be busy with them yeah, throughout the day.